It's a wave of mixed emotion actually. Mostly good jitters, but I went in with very low expectations. I mean, I knew my profile was good enough, but uh, especially round three is very difficult.
Right.
Just add on to that an international applicant, and I don't think without your help I could have done this. So I'm excited. Yeah, thank you. So I am a healthcare professional. By discipline, I am a pharmacist. I did my bachelor's and then went for masters of pharmacy from BITS Pilani. And post that, I got into healthcare consulting for about 3.5 years with an American healthcare consultancy called Decision Resources Group. We were mostly involved with the market access, reimbursement of pharmaceutical drug products and medical devices. So I leveraged my pharmacy knowledge in that. So that was a good experience. But and then after that, I was able to make a transition into a core pharmaceutical company last year. I'm with Eli Lilly right now, and I'm currently the associate manager there. And I support the immunology portfolio and the global market access needs for the immunology portfolio. And now that I have good exposure towards commercialization and business side and everything, I think I felt like I was started to hit a bit of a glass ceiling because I didn't really have a formal business background. So I thought, why not? I do have a good clinical, strong sense of everything, how the pharma company, the healthcare industry works. So let's make let's build up my business acumen, and this would be a perfect time for me now that I have good experience. So that's when I decided to go for an MBA.
Great. Thank you for sharing that background. Please also tell us a little bit about your MBA admission experience and the parts that went well. Anything that didn't go well, if at all there was something like that.
Yeah, of course, of course. So, like you remember, when I came with you, I came up with actually the least expectation. So the best part was that I had set my bar low, but I did know. I actually spoke with other few consultancies as well. Took my case to them because I was a round three applicant, and the GMAT GRE waiver thing, everything was happening. I knew my story was right. I knew my story was good, but I didn't actually know how to put it across. And I think that's where you have been an immense help, because when I spoke with you, I knew that okay, you believed in my story and you knew that you could, place your bets on me, and that's one thing that worked absolutely well for me, because if there is somebody who puts trust on your candidature more than my own self, that makes the entire process very smooth. And with the essays and everything, everything has been a massive help, because uh, I could focus my energy on a lot of other things, and you were there taking care of a lot of things. So had it been me doing all these things, it was overwhelming. But because your team, you had fabulously managed my meeting time, my inputs, and what to ask, even while networking. This is one thing that really helped me, the inputs that you gave.
Right.
Because going in and meeting with the alumni, speaking with them within that 15-20 minutes of time span, if you ask very generic questions, that is what I was struggling with when I had started. If you ask generic questions, you are going to get generic answers, and the entire purpose of speaking to them is not really helpful of something that you can get a good background. And I really appreciate the way that you helped me focusing on the questions about how to ask and things like that. And I think that again is a very good point, that I wouldn't have managed to do it myself.
Fantastic. We are all rooting for you, Jyotsna, and we are hoping for even better results for you in the ones that are pending. And of course, we will continue to be in touch. We will continue to support you even during your MBA journey because we really enjoyed working with you. It's when clients like you succeed that we feel the happiest because not only is our work earning success, but we're also helping you to get to great places, helping you to really realize your potential. So, thanks once again for choosing us. We really have enjoyed working with you, and of course, we'll continue to be in touch with you when you go to these schools. You will be the one giving other people advice on what to do.
Absolutely, and that's what I know, the struggle. Being in that shoe, I actually know what kind of a pressure cooker situation this is. So the absolute best thing would be if I can pay it forward in any way. And I've enjoyed this experience, so I think I will definitely keep in touch with you and help whenever, however I can.
Oh, you're absolutely a superstar.